So how do I divide decimals? I can divide two decimals. Step 1. The divisor needs to be a whole number. If it is not, then you will need to move the decimal point to the right until it becomes a whole number. You also have to move the dividend the same number of places to keep both sides of the equation equal. So for example, 10 and 35/100ths divided by 4 and 5/10ths. Because there is one place value in the divisor that's in the decimal place values, the decimal needs to shift one place value to the right. The same thing needs to happen in the dividend. This changes both numbers to become 103 and 5/10ths divided by 45. Step 2. Divide as you normally do. You would then divide 45 into 103 decimal point 5. Following the division process, 45 goes into 103 two times. 45 times 2 is 90. Subtract, you get a 13. Bring down the 5. 45 goes into 135 three times. 45 times 3 is 135. Subtract, you get a 0. So your answer is then 23. However, you need to place a decimal point directly above the decimal point in the dividend. So because our decimal is between the 3 and the 5, it would then go between the 2 and the 3. Our answer then is 2 3/10. You can check this by estimating and saying, well, 45 times 2 is about 90. So that answer would make sense. Try the next two examples by pausing the video, work through the problems, and then play the video to check your answers. 118 and 72/100ths divided by 21 and 2/10ths. Again, the decimal needs to shift one place value to the right. Follow the division process and you get an answer of 5 6/10. Second example, 37 and 8/100ths divided by 4. The decimal does not need to shift anywhere because the decimal is after the 4, making it a whole number. Your answer then is 9 27/100ths.